Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the SwitchBot Lock Pro. This is a new premium smart lock from the people over at SwitchBot, and you can tell it's an upgrade over their last model because it's got this full aluminum casing and it replaces the interior deadbolt instead of fitting over it like their last model. I'm just popping open the battery compartment to take a look inside. It features an infinite power relay that can last up to 365 days without a charge, which is some really cool technology. I'm just going to quickly speed through the setup and installation of this because I thought it was so easy I had to include it in the video. I'm just taping over the lock cylinder on the other side of the door just to keep it stable. And now I'm just going to drill this deadbolt off. Now I'm just installing the Lock Pro's back plate in place of the deadbolt we just removed. And I'm just screwing it in place. I'm talking over this specifically because I want to show another interesting piece of technology is the lock cylinder adapters that come with this. It fits a variety of lock cylinders. It comes with about 6 different adapters. It's just nice to see these guys selling a product with compatibility in mind. This is where I'm going to place the lock cylinder adapter, that little rod, and that will connect to the base of the rest of the Lock Pro. Just checking it works. Get rid of the tape, now it's secure. Now I'm going to put the lock straight onto the back plate right here and just finish up the installation of that. The next step in the installation and another piece of technology that I really wanted to highlight was this magnet. It acts as a sensor for the lock to detect whether or not the door is open or closed or locked or unlocked. I thought that was a very interesting piece of technology, and the material that the magnet's made of fits with the aesthetic of the SwitchBot's Lock Pro. Got to make sure that the marked side is facing the lock and it's between 0.7 and 1.5 inches away from the lock for it to perform its purpose correctly. We just finished the manual installation of the Lock Pro. Now for another cool feature, their app. It's called SwitchBot and allows you to connect all of your SwitchBot devices to the internet. And of course, get them activated in the first place. Just follow the instructions on the screen to activate this thing. Before you're allowed to start using all the functionalities of the app, you're going to have to make an account. It really isn't too bad. You just need an email and a password, and then you're allowed straight onto the app. And there we go. My device is connected, and now I can name it and set it to any specific rooms I have in my smart house. I haven't set up anything like that specifically, so I'm just going to save it as default. The lock is now going to take us through a couple calibration features just to make entirely sure that the lock is working properly. This is how you make tech that doesn't fail, by including calibration features built into the installation. And something like a front door lock is a piece of equipment you want to make sure works. I'm just going to finish up the calibration so that the installation is fully complete for this lock. The next piece of equipment from SwitchBot I'm showcasing is the keypad that works hand in hand with this lock. I'm just stuffing in the batteries that came with this and installing a back plate. This does come with a mounting plate that has space for screws, but it also has a piece of adhesive that I used instead so I didn't have to drill through my door. Now I'm just finally putting it on, and we're gonna have to get this hooked up through the app again. Now I'm back on the SwitchBot app and ready to add my keypad device. There we go. And now we're just going to continue with the setup. Much like the lock itself, it just involves pressing a couple buttons on both device and my phone. It's such a quick 40-second installation that is impressive enough for me to include as praise. I'll show you guys how long it really takes. And we're done. First, I'm going to set up a permanent code to unlock this keypad, therefore unlocking the lock. And it's set. Another cool piece of tech that comes with this keypad is an NFC card. The NFC card came with the keypad, but I'm sure it works with any regular NFC card. You just have to add it through the app. And as you can see, it works to unlock the lock. I had also just added a fingerprint, and it works just fine. The final and honestly my favorite piece of tech that SwitchBot has sent me is the Hub Mini. Now, this is a really cool device that takes pretty much any device you have that has infrared remote control. We're talking about TVs, we're talking about stereo, we're talking about lights, we're talking about air conditioners, and anything else that could use a remote. This will take the place of every single one of those remotes, and you can control each and every device from your phone directly. Right now, all I'm doing is just adding the Hub Mini to my SwitchBot app so that it is registered as part of my home. And unlike the other devices, like the lock and the keypad, this device requires a Wi-Fi connection, specifically a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. It can't connect to a 5 gigahertz one. I'm just gonna quickly pick the local Wi-Fi I have here because I am connected to a 5 gigahertz on my phone. And I'm just going to enter those details real quick. And now the Hub Mini is up and running and can now start cloning some infrared signals. So the first thing I'm going to set up is the remote for the air conditioning unit in this room. Within the app, I hit an Add Remote button. And all I have to do is press a button on the remote while the Hub Mini is searching, and it will eventually read its infrared signal. Okay, the remote was connected. I'm just going to look through these templates and try to see which one works. I'm trying to press the on button here, but it doesn't look like it's working, so I'm going to switch to template 2. Press the on button, and it looked like it works. I'm going to show you here. I've just added the air conditioning remote, and I'm going to turn it on. Isn't that amazing? Not only can I turn it on, but I have all the functionality of the remote. I can change the temperature as well. And just to finish it off, I'm going to turn off the air conditioner. Amazing. I think the SwitchBot products that I received are a nice foray into an actual smart home. I've never dealt with anything like that, but I am absolutely amazed by how well the Hub Mini actually changes the game. Remotes are a thing of the past. The lock's super sleek design and extra security just makes me feel a lot safer at home. The aluminum casing gives it a nice premium sleek feel. The beefed up security from the keypad is the perfect addition to the lock. I can't recommend these products highly enough. Thanks for watching, everyone.